Welcome to Support and Resistance. So, this is the foundation of being able to take advantage of price movement, any asset's price movement. Prices, highly probable, make moves regarding these levels, a support level and a resistance level. So, we're going to cover what support is, we're going to cover what resistance is, we're going to cover why these levels matter. We're going to cover why beginners should care more about these levels than any external talks, any internal emotions. Stick to the levels. A key important strategy you should adopt is you should only be looking to do calls near support levels. You should only be looking to enter puts near resistance levels. So let's go over it. Support is an area where price has shown a tendency to hold or bounce at. Resistance is an area where price has shown a tendency to stall and reject. One of the most important beginner lessons I can teach you is this: never chase price in the middle of nowhere. The best opportunity often comes when price approaches a meaningful price level, whether that's a support price level or a resistance price level. If price is approaching a well-respected support level and shows sign of holding using the candlestick theory, that may create a stronger call idea. If price approaches a well-respected resistance level and shows signs of rejecting, showing you some of that candle structure confirmation, that may create a stronger put idea. This does not mean support and resistance are magic and the end all be all. It means they give you a structured location to build a trade thesis at. Good trading starts with good location. Bad trading starts with random emotions. We want to be good locations. We aim to be good traders, taking advantage of price movement, smart, sharp, and get our money and go. So let's show you some support levels and what price did at those levels, and let's show you some resistance levels and show you what prices did at those resistance levels. So again, we have SPY and we place support and resistance levels. So again, resistance level is a level that we place at a high price, which these were high prices. These were the highest levels that SPY made prior it making new highs on April 15th, Wednesday, April 15th, 2026, as you can see on the bottom black tab there. Before that, this price level of 697.52 was the highest level. And as you can see, prices came to that resistance level and dropped, came back to that resistance level and dropped, so that is a resistance level. Support levels. A fun fact, resistance levels turn into support level. Once price breaks above the resistance level, it becomes the support level. Let's show you how. So this was the resistance level from October, as you can see at the bottom black tab, from Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. SPY was at this highest level of 673.94. Prior to that, there was no higher level. It made the first highest level Wednesday, October 8th. It rejected that resistance level. And then Friday, October 24th, it broke above that resistance level, made new resistance level here, Wednesday, October 29th, then came back down, broke underneath that prior resistance level, now support because price was above it. It broke beneath that support level now, came back up, straddled above and at this prior resistance level, which was again, Wednesday, October 8th. That was the last time it was resistance. And then from there on, it became support, a price level underneath the current prices. And so SPY from here, Thursday, December 11th, 2025, to Monday, March 9th, 2026, SPY was operating between the support level and the resistance. As you can see, these candles represent daily price level. So they touched the resistance resistance, back to the support. Touch the resistance, back to the support. Touch the resistance, back to the support. So this is the idea I was explaining via word. At support levels, we want to take advantage of possible bounce. Price holding that support level and going up for a bounce. Looking to take advantage of puts, price holding underneath that resistance level and going down. This is the idea of supports and resistances and how price operates at them. Again, it's not a magic, this is it, this is everything I need. No, it's just the start, because as you can see here, Monday, March 9th, 2026, price broke underneath this support level when you would think, hey, it's gonna bounce up. No, it don't always do that. It just gives you an idea of what and where things are, and even if it goes under it, right, you have an idea of where it could go next based on these support levels here, right? And then your next resistance level here, high, then your next resistance level here. So those levels, prices respects those levels because investors like to buy assets at good prices. So when investors buy those assets at good prices, then those assets prices go up. So that's important. All right.